In this video, I'll show you the third way to quickly create a profile. Create profiles from an Excel file. The advantage of this method is that users can name, attach proxies, select groups for proxies before. This allows users to create thousands of profiles at once. First, we click from Excel. Click here to view sample file. This will open the sample Excel file. You can refer to create input Excel file. After creating the Excel import file by template, click Select to select the Excel file. So we've created 4 profiles. From Excel file, these profiles have been named and have a proxy attached to them. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel.